Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to show you the best ways to make PayPal money online. And now this method is going to be perfect for broke beginners. So if you have no money to start up with, this is going to be perfect for you to make your first wins online and be able to make a little bit of money without even leaving your own home. A lot of these methods are only going to require a laptop, a computer, maybe a couple with a microphone, but it's going to be really simple and easy for you to be able to make your first wins online and get a little bit of money in your pocket. So stay tuned for the whole video. If you're new to this and you aren't really sure, don't skip ahead, don't skim through it. You're going to want to stay for all of it and watch all of these methods that I found that are working methods to make money online. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. The more subscribers, the better. It helps this channel out a lot. So make sure to subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon for notifications every single time that I upload a video so you're not missing any of these amazing, awesome methods of how to make money online. If you're wondering about how I get to stay home with my kids and make money online, check out my number one recommendation. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Check it out. All right, guys, I'm going to give you a bunch of sites to go to. I want you to make sure that you get yourself signed up for all of them because you never really know where you're going to make the most money from. And you want to make sure that you're signed up through everything. So that way you're bringing in more money every single day and you have your options open. So getting right into this, we are going to go to a site called Respondent. Now what Respondent is, it's a research company where you're going to be doing these jobs and researching stuff for them. And they are going to pay you for your answers and your responses. So you want to go to for Respondent. So you get paid for participating in research studies. They are actually really high paying site, so I really like them. This is probably one of the better sites because they do pay quite a bit of money. They're awesome. They really are. I really highly recommend you check this site out. So definitely you're going to go to this, and as you can see, you can scroll down. They have paid out a bunch of money to respondents. The average interview length is going to be about 30 minutes, which is not a lot of time. But the hourly pay, so if you do 2 interviews, you can make up to $140 per hour just answering interviews. So what you're going to do is you're going to verify your profile. You're going to connect it with your LinkedIn or your Facebook profile. So that way they know exactly who you are. They can figure out your demographic, your employment data, and it's really quick and easy to do. Then you're going to get matched because they have an algorithm. They'll send you the research studies that fit your profile, the ones that you're going to be best able to answer by linking your LinkedIn and your Facebook to this. They're going to invite you to a study, and then they're going to do what's going to fit with your work schedule, what you have going on. If it's a bad time, they're not going to make you be doing these interviews. So they're probably going to ask you when you're going to be available and when the best time is to be doing these interviews. Once you do your interview, they are going to pay you through PayPal, and it only collects a 5% fundamental fee on the incentive pay. So it's really not that much, and you're going to be making really quick, easy PayPal money through this. Like I said, you can earn up to $140 per hour. I really don't know any jobs that you're going to make out there without, a really good college education where you're going to be able to make $140 an hour. That's like a lot of money. So if you haven't done so already, get yourself your account, get your profile, link it up with your LinkedIn or your Facebook, and get going on this so that way you can make money doing these interviews. They want to do research studies with you guys, so it's really quick, it's really easy. The next method of making money is going to be PICO workers. So PICO workers is micro jobs. Now this is going to be a worldwide method that you can make money online, and it's really quick and it's really easy. These jobs are going to be super crazy simple. They have really small jobs, they're really easy to do. And as you can see, they have featured small jobs. So it's really easy. McDonald's gift card, you sign up for it and they give you 30 cents. I want you to sign up for a website and you get 50 cents. You get an offer for an H&M voucher, you sign up for it, you get 24 cents. I know people that do this worldwide that actually do this for like 6 hours a day and they make enough to get by. You're not going to get rich off PICO workers, but you're going to be able to make a little bit of extra money. You want to do an email and submit it, you get paid 50 cents just for that. And as you can see, obviously it doesn't pay a lot, but these jobs are really quick and really easy. You just download something, you take a look at something and things of that nature, and then you get paid really quick and easy. You want to finish tasks that our employer asks you to do, you submit your proof, and then poof, you earn the money. It's really quick, it's really easy. There's a sign-up bonus for 75 cents. So you register to start a small job, you get the work done without even having to spend any money. So what I suggest you do is you come here, you can watch a video, you can figure out how it works, and it's just that easy. It's super easy. These jobs are really small, so obviously this is not going to be a get-rich scheme, but you're going to be able to get your first wins online making money. So check out Pico Pico Workers. I don't know, I always say it wrong every time, but check them out. I think you're really going to like them. It's a really interesting, quick, and easy way to make money. Like I said, this is going to work all over the world. I know there are people that aren't from the US like myself. I have friends over in Africa and over in India who are asking me on my social media, hey, give me some more methods of making money online worldwide, and this is one of them. So check it out. Now, on to the next one. We're talking about user testing. And I know a lot of people who have made, $150, $150 a day just using this. And what they want to know is people want to know how their websites work, how to make them better. And what you're going to do is you're going to get paid for rating and using websites. They're going to record your screen, and you want to get a microphone for this one because everything that you do, they want to know. So I'm going to click on customers, and you go to customers, but you need to speak it out loud. They want to hear everything that you're going to do. I'm going to scroll down and see how it works. So you find your target, you engage in them, you discover, and you share. It's really quick and it's really easy. I know a lot of people that have used this site and have been able to make quite a bit of money online just by getting paid to do tests. It's really easy. Get paid to test. Let's just go there really quick. So you visit a website or an app, you want to complete the set of tasks and speak your thoughts out loud, and that's all you have to do to get paid. Say, okay, so I'm doing this, and I say, I'm going to request a trial, and then I go and click on it. That's what they want to hear. I really like the background. The girl in the background seems very warm and welcoming, and you just tell them what you think, what you have on your mind, what you think that they can improve on, and what you're going to be doing on these apps and websites. So check that one out. It's user testing. Now I want to draw your attention to Usability Hub because it is the exact same thing, and I'm giving you two of the same ones because there isn't always going to be jobs available. So you want to make sure that you spread yourself out evenly and that you're getting as many jobs coming in as possible, because there's a bunch of sites out here like this. I just prefer user testing and Usability Hub. And like I said, you're going to be performing these tasks, and you can earn up to $60 per test. I mean, these tests aren't going to be too awful. They're going to be about 40 minutes long. But on user testing, they have a bunch of $10 tests that take, they say that they take between 10 and 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I find that they're about 10 or 15 minutes. I don't really see too many of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to user testing. I suggest that you watch this 2-minute video, and that way you'll know exactly how pretty much Usability Hub and user testing work, as they're exactly the same. You go to these websites and apps, you just go through it, you test them, and then you speak your thoughts out loud. You speak exactly what you're going to do into the microphone, so the people who are asking you to do this can hear exactly where you're going to go on these websites and apps and what you think of them. Now on to my last model of making money online, which is going to draw you to a couple different sites because I want you to spread yourself out evenly and be able to make as much money online. I love when you guys write me and say, hey, I used this model that you made a video about and I made such and such dollars, using a model that I watched you on YouTube talking about. So I want you to be able to make money. That's what I like to hear. That makes me really happy. So that's why I'm giving you so many of these options, because I really want to see you guys do good. Now, the best way I have found that you can make money online if you have any type of skill is to become a freelancer. And if you haven't seen this site before, it's called Fiverr.com. And they are perfect for freelancers. It's selling your services for people at a price that you guys get to pick. No one picks it for you. So as you can see, there are a bunch of different categories that you can do. You can do voiceovers, logo designs, graphic designs, article and blog posts. You can make videos. There's anything that you can think of online that you can provide a service for somebody, you're going to be able to do it on Fiverr, and you can make some really good money. You get the flexibility of working at home and making your own hours. And it's really simple. If you're really good at something, or you found a little hack in one of my videos and been able to become good at something, Fiverr is the way to go. Freelancing is the way to go. Now, I want to make sure that you make yourself profiles on a bunch of other freelancing sites. So I want you to take a look at Upwork too. They have writing. They have web design. You know, there's so many options for you. They have writing, design, creative, mobile web software development, admin support, data and science, analytics. They have sales and marketing, engineering and architecture. You can put yourself on there. If you're good at any of these things, you're going to be able to sell your service and become a freelancer. And another site that I really want to draw your attention to is freelancer.com. And this is, like I said, just like the name says, it's a freelancing site where you're going to be able to sell your services. And like you're going to be able to work from home. You can make your own pay. You can make your own hours. And that's the beauty of being an online entrepreneur, is being able to do what you want, when you want, from home, on your computer, in your sweatpants. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want notifications, hit the bell icon so I can send them to you every single time I upload a video. If you want to know how to really make in the big bucks, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.